Okay, so right now we have this little cat box. I've created it out of foam board. And look, you can see it has a little tail. It's basically a cat just sitting on top of a box. But this isn't any box. This is a magical box. So we pull the drawer out like this. We take the money, coins preferably, and we put it into this slot right here. We're just going to put the coins in there like that. We close the drawer, we open it up, and they're gone. So what we have here is a little trap door that slips down and lets the coins out. And in the back here, we have a little opening. So you can open it up, flip it up, and shake the money out. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, sometimes it gets stuck, I'm not gonna lie. But just give it a little jiggle, and it's out of there. And there you have it, a little cat box.